Okay, we're doing fireworks. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay.
Look out, Owen.
Be careful. Ah!
Don't go.
That was kind of colorful.
Do something else, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Was that a spinner?
Some of them don't spin.
Was that what it was?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Watch out. Watch out,
Back
Oliver.
up.
Odie, come over here.
That one's supposed to spin?
Yeah, just wait.
Oh, yeah, it does. Oh, the sparks went everywhere. I kind of forgot how to talk.
Phones.
Here, I'll add my, whatever it's called in so you guys. Oh. Ah. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Where'd it go?
We have the Saturn missile one, which is 100 bottle rockets.
What's a 100? Whatever. I'm gonna go get a tornado thing. Never mind. The tornadoes are the spinners thing. Oh gosh.
All right, I think.
Olive, Odie.
I think the police are coming for
Back
us.
up. You ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
One that shoots 100 missiles.
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
It
All
is
right.
100 missiles.
I feel like the police are gonna come.
All right, Mimi.
This one's gonna be the
This is
craziest.
the last one.
Okay, I'm kind of scared. I don't want the cops to come. All right. I mean, I guess let's do this.
Yep, I guess.
Okay, I'm running. Oh, I'm inside. I'm safe. But I feel like we were cooked. Okay. Oh, thank you guys for watching. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video I post. Bye.